Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I craft a home protection mirror ward. I'll use a home protection incantation that's been turned into a magic sigil and add protective symbols and mirror magic. Let's do some magical crafting. This kit includes everything you need to create a home protection mirror ward. The DIY craft kit includes a 6-sided wooden ward and a self-adhesive mirror tile, a sigil worksheet, and a collection of some protective symbols and step-by-step instructions. A white gel pen, 6 colors of acrylic paint, and 2 paintbrushes. I'll link to the kit below in case you want to get one for yourself. But of course, you can make this project using craft supplies you have at home as well. I removed all of the items from the box and unfolded the packing paper to protect my table from the paint. Decide if you'd like to add words of protection or symbols underneath the paint of your ward, or on top. If you're putting your intentions or symbols underneath, begin drawing or painting them onto the ward. If, like me, you're going to add your symbols on top of the paint instead, it's time to paint the wooden ward. You can use the paint scheme shown here or change it to suit your personal color scheme. I chose to paint my ward black with a purple back and teal edges. If you prefer a gray ward, you can mix some of the white paint with the black to achieve a gray color. Red is also included in the kit, but not shown in my example. I think a black interior will be perfect to draw my sigil on with the white gel pen, and then place the mirror on top of the sigil. I'm going to paint the back of the ward with purple and the front edges with teal blue. Mirror magic can be especially effective for warding your home or property against negative or unwanted energies. When using a mirror for protection, place it facing outward near an entrance or a window. The primary function of the mirror is to reflect negative energies, malevolent spirits, or harmful intentions back to their source, preventing them from entering your space. To enhance the effectiveness of your mirror magic, you can occasionally cleanse the mirror with salt water or a consecrated herbal infusion. You might want to inscribe protective symbols on the mirror surface or the frame. By charging the mirror with your intent, visualize it as a shield that repels and deflects any negative influence. And once prepared, the mirror continuously works as a vigilant guardian, reflecting away harm and maintaining a boundary of protection around your home or property. I'll be placing my ward outside in my backyard with the mirror facing toward a neighbor. While the paint is drying and before we jump into the next step in the tutorial, a quick word from this video's sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art livestream, my crafting livestream, and my monthly Plan With Me livestream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons, and all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron, and a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. This sigil is made from the intention sentence, "This home is safe from hexes, harm, and hate." It's a simplified version of the home protection incantation on the sigil worksheet. You may wish to create a custom protection intention or incantation and sigil using the blank worksheet in the kit, or you may wish to use the one that's been provided. I chose to draw the sigil on the inside of the ward using the white gel pen. I intend to glue the mirror on top of the sigil to conceal it. Inside the kit, on the sigil worksheet, there's a list of some protective symbols you may wish to add to your ward. My personal choice for adding protection symbols on the outside of my ward was copying my protection incantation on the back, along with adding a pentagram at the end. The full incantation is, "By my will, this home is safeguarded from hexes, harm, and hate. Within and without this place I have warded, safe, secure, and sedate." I later decided to paint over the incantation and pentagram on the back. Customize your ward to your preferences. I also chose to add some other protective symbols, such as evil eyes, to the outer edge of the ward. Use your creativity and personal preferences to create your custom ward. The Nazar symbol, or evil eye, is often represented as a blue eye or an eye within a hand, and it's widely used in various cultures for its protective properties, particularly against the evil eye, a malevolent glare believed to cause harm or misfortune. I like to display this symbol prominently at entry points, such as above doorways. Incorporating the Nazar symbol into your home can be done in various ways, such as hanging an eye amulet, incorporating the design into decor, or even painting the symbol on walls or doors. Many people also combine the Nazar with other protective elements like crystals or mirrors to amplify its protective qualities. My protection ward will create a barrier of defense, ensuring that harmful energies are deflected and that my home remains a sanctuary of safety and positivity. The final step is to glue the mirror inside of the wooden piece. Remove the protective paper from the back to expose the adhesive. Then press the mirror down. Remove the plastic film from the front of the mirror, and your project is done. Before hanging the ward inside or outside of your home, you may wish to cleanse the ward with salt or smoke, or charge it to reflect negativity with chanting, prayer, crystals, or whatever works within your culture, traditions, and beliefs. Happy crafting.